7 Advantages of baking soda for the body, hair, and skin. Although you might not be aware of it, baking soda can benefit your body, skin, and hair. Actually, baking soda can improve your overall appearance from head to toe. The good thing is that it's just in your own home. In its natural state, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, resembles a crystal. However, it is commonly found as a fine powder. It effectively eliminates germs, kill bacteria and fungi, and reduce edema. Any disease, including colds, dental health difficulties, and skin conditions, can be successfully treated with it. When used appropriately, baking soda is beneficial, but if used excessively, it can damage your skin and hair. Before using it, test it out on a small patch of skin to see if your skin is sensitive to it. There are several methods for using baking soda to benefit your skin, hair, and overall health. Number 1. Brightens yellow teeth. Due to its mild roughness and ability to remove the yellow tint from your teeth, baking soda is excellent for making your teeth shine. By combating the acid produced by these bacterium, it also aids in the removal of plaque. Simply add some baking soda to your usual toothpaste on your toothbrush. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes as usual. For a few days, do it once per day. Avoid using too much baking soda because doing so will remove your teeth's protective enamel layer. Number 2. Fights acne and pimples. Acne and pimples can be treated without the use of harsh chemicals. You can simply accomplish it with baking soda. Baking soda can eliminate the symptoms of acne and other outbreaks while also treating the underlying cause of them, since it kills germs and reduces swelling. Additionally, baking soda lowers the acidity of the skin and prevents new breakouts. Make a paste by combining 1 teaspoon of baking soda with some warm water. For 1 to 2 minutes, apply it to the skin. Use cold water to clean it. Perform this once each day for 2 to 3 days, then once or twice per week after that. Number 3. Treats body odor. Even the most unpleasant bodily odors can be cleansed with baking soda. It is considered one of the most organic ways to get rid of odors. It helps in eliminating sweat from the skin and removing the microorganisms that cause body odor. 1 tablespoon of water, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few drops of any essential oil should be combined. Rub it on your underarms or any other place where you start sweating a lot using the cotton pad. Use it frequently to prevent body odor. Number 4. Relieves sunburns and sunburn blisters. It's a great idea to keep a box of baking soda nearby during the summer because of its alkaline nature. Baking soda is great for soothing sunburns, and will help stop the burning and itching. It can also aid in the faster drying of sunburn blisters. In a cup of chilled water, combine 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Put some of the mixture on a clean towel, then squeeze out the excess. For 5 to 10 minutes, apply the towel to the sunburn. Repeat this 2 or 3 times daily until the discomfort is gone. Number 5. Improves skin complexion. For many people, uneven skin tone is a concern. Try baking soda if you're searching for a simple, low-cost way to get bright, even skin. Dead skin cells can be removed with the use of baking soda. Additionally, it will balance out the skin's acidity, which is essential for clear, smooth skin. Make a paste by mixing 1 to 2 tablespoons with just sufficient filtered or spring water. On your skin, apply the paste. After allowing it to sit for a minute, gently massage it off using only the tips of your fingers. To show skin that is more radiant, rinse your face with cool water and dry it off. Just do it once or twice a week. After applying baking soda to your skin, be sure to moisturize your skin. Number 6. Treats smelly and oily hair. Having smelly hair is quite uncomfortable, and persons with greasy hair seem to be more likely to encounter this issue. Oily hair more readily absorbs airborne particles and unpleasant odors. Baking soda can be used to solve this issue. It reduces oiliness and eliminates odors. Combine 3 parts water and 1 part baking soda. Apply it to damp hair, let it stay for 5 minutes, and then rinse it off. Perform this once or twice every month. Number 7. Removes dandruff. Even while getting rid of dandruff can be challenging, especially during the winter, it is possible. Dandruff is simple to remove if you take appropriate care of your scalp. You may get eliminate of the white flakes on your scalp and hair by using baking soda. It removes flakes and detoxifies the scalp. Apply a spoonful of baking soda to your scalp and wet hair. After 1 minute, leave it in and thoroughly rinse it with water. Do it once a week. Have you tried using baking soda to improve your body? Which is more effective? Comment down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more health and wellness tips. And hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.